Materials required: multicolored chart papers, adhesive, pencil, black marker, scissors. First, take a card sheet, roll it into a cylinder and apply adhesive to paste its ends. Now, cover this cylinder with grey colored chart paper longer than the cylinder, projecting out from one end. Next, make 2 folds of the projected ends of the chart paper to make horn-like ears. From another paper, prepare cuttings for the owl's eyes, beak, feathers and wings. Apply some adhesive at the front and paste the feathers to the owl's cylindrical body. Now, apply adhesive and paste the wings at the sides. To complete the owl, apply more adhesive and paste the eyes and beak. This way, your paper owl is ready.